It's important to remember that if you've created resources previously, you don't actually have to retype everything just to use them in an iBook. For example, you might have some Word documents or some Pages documents that you've used to create previous resources, and you'd like those resources now to be in your iBook. Let's have a quick look at how to do that. Let's say I want to put in some course information and I want it to be in front of Chapter 1 and after the foreword. What I'll do is I'll make sure that this foreword section here is selected, and then go to Add Pages, and let's put in another section and put in some section text. You'll see that the section is dropped in before Chapter 1 and after the foreword. And we can now click into this space, delete the sample text, and by double clicking up in here I can actually change the title. Let's call this Course Information and click Out. Now let's go over to the right hand side of my screen where I have a couple of sample documents waiting for me on the desktop. They're both exactly the same document, but one is in Pages format, which is this document here, and the other one is in Word format. It doesn't matter which one we use because they both contain the same text, just for this particular demonstration. Let's go ahead and open up the Pages document, and there you'll see the text that I want to include in my iBook, which I prepared at an earlier date. What I'll do is highlight all of this text, just select that with my mouse, then go Edit, Copy, then click into my iBook, click into the space where I want it to appear, and hit Edit, Paste. You can see the text has come through quite nicely, except for the fact that it has some formatting issues. It doesn't look the same as what it did in the Pages document. But fortunately, iBook's author allows me to edit text much like any other word processor. So all I need to do is select the text, and let's just change that font size. 12 looks pretty good. I can delete out some lines that I don't need, and I can continue to edit this text, making it the right size, and you kind of get the picture. So I won't do all of this right now because you don't need to see me editing text, but the short story is, if you've already created the resources previously, you do not need to write them again. You can use the simple copy and paste functionality. And isn't it great that you can, because that is a time saver.